Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and today I'm here to share my Christmas cards for 2018. Yay! I'm um I'm getting things done and that's an amazing thing because usually I'm a procrastinator and I always wait till the last minute. Well, I try not to, but I do. And this year I have been very motivated to craft more and use my stuff with some fine ladies. I craft almost every day with online, and thank you ladies for pushing me and getting me to make these cards. So this year my Christmas card is the Christmas red truck, and I had this set in my stash from Tuesday morning since last year, and I've used it once for a birthday card, and I finally busted it out again to use it for my Christmas cards this year. So I stamped and embossed with black embossing powder onto red cardstock from Recollections. I used some paper from Recollections. I think it was a hot buy last year, and I think they brought it out again this year. It's called North Pole Gazette. Yeah, and it has different plaid paper, and I was initially going to use the red and black one, but Nida, who's Nida Creations, told me that that would kind of wash out the truck, and I told her, you know what, that makes a lot of sense, you know. So I took her advice, and I showed her this pattern, and she goes, yes, that's perfect. And it really does. The truck really pops on this plaid versus the other plaid. So anyway, I also used the tree and I embossed it with this green tinsel. It's from Stamp Pendants, but I've had this for so long in my stash here. I stamped it, embossed it, and then cut them out because it has the matching dies in that stamp set. I add some red and gold stickles for the Christmas bulbs. I added this snow text. Now, I don't know if you guys are aware of this, but I love this thing. I've used it on a Christmas tree. God, it's been several years ago since I did that one. I added some glitter just to add it some, I don't think you guys can see it on my camera here. And let it harden. This one is drying because I made a couple extras for some friends. I use this stamp set. It's an old Stampin' Up set, and it's in a big container like this, and it's called Teeny Tiny Wishes, and this set I use all the time because it has every holiday imaginable. So I also use detail black embossing powder. I backed it with some red cardstock, and I called it a day. I think it is just so cute. Oh, the die also cuts the window out, and if you can tell, it's kind of like frosted. And that idea came from Judy. We were crafting. Judy, Nida, and I, well, we try to craft every day, or we have coffee in the morning when my kids go to school. And one day we were crafting together, and Judy said that she wanted to do like a clear or a frosted window. And I said, oh my gosh, Judy, that's such a good idea. So I got some vellum and I cut out a little piece and I added it to the window. I think it adds, you know, you can see a little bit of the pattern paper in the background, but not as well as a clear acetate would. And it just adds, you know, like it's so cold outside, right? And your windows get frosted from all the snow. So I thought that was a brilliant idea. So this is my Christmas card for 2018. I hope everybody likes it. I'm sending this to somebody that is into red trucks this year. Well, I think she's been into it for the past couple years, so I hope she likes it. And yeah, everybody, thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.